Mogalita.com is an online store selling home goods, tools, gardening supplies, kitchen products, and automotive accessories at competitive prices. The website looks professional, but the real question is, can you actually trust this store? Now, to be fair, every online retailer starts somewhere. However, there are several warning signs that are worth considering before placing an order. What it does well: wide range of products. The store offers items across several home and lifestyle categories. Professional-looking website. The site is easy to browse and includes standard shopping features. Where the concerns start appearing: independent trust ratings are very low. This is the biggest issue. Multiple website reputation services give Mogalita.com a very low trust score and recommend exercising caution. Limited customer reputation. There are very few independent customer reviews, making it difficult to verify the shopping experience. The site is relatively new. Newer online stores aren't necessarily scams, but they have less established track records. So, can you trust Mogalita.com? Short answer: proceed with caution. While the site provides company details and contact information, its very low independent trust ratings and limited customer history make it difficult to recommend without reservations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.